GRW8-01 dual mode temperature control relay. Using NTC sensors. Short circuit/open circuit monitoring with sensors. Optional heating/cooling working mode. Used for temperature control of heaters, equipment, and computer rooms. Set the function to heating. Temperature setting of 15 degrees. After power on, we will place the temperature sensor in cold water. When the detected temperature is below our set 15 degrees, load working. Now put the temperature sensor into hot water. When the detected temperature is higher than the temperature we set, load stop working.